The format in question is A4 paper size, Arial font style, 1.5 spacing, and text or writing size 12. Well, for friends who don't know how to edit writing in Word according to the format, the method is very easy. First, we set the paper size. To set the paper size, we go to the Page Layout menu, then Size, and select A4 size. Next, set the shape of the writing. Friends, go to the Home menu, then look for the Arial font shape. You can set the size of the letters or text directly, because the settings are next to where we changed the shape of the writing earlier. As for the spacing, still in the Home menu, friends, pay attention to the paragraph section. There is a place to set the spacing size. So how are you, friends? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.